Hello students, today in this video we discuss about our solar system and different heavenly objects like asteroids, meteors, meteorites, comets. So first is solar system. Solar system is comprised the sun, its 8 planets and all other objects like asteroids, meteors, meteorites, comets, etc. All these things combined or considered as a solar system. In our solar system, different 8 planets are there. These are first is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So, here we discuss these all one by one. First is Sun. Sun is the most important object of this universe. Because of only Sun, we all are survive on the earth. So first we discuss about the Sun. Sun is the huge ball of hot and burning gases which is largest celestial body in the solar system. It is center of the solar system. It is nearest star to the earth. We already discussed this. The nearest star to the earth is Sun. It is almost million times larger than the earth. It is greatest source of energy for all living beings on the earth. Hydrogen and helium gases are the main gases which present in the sun, in which hydrogen converts into helium all time. The distance between the sun and the earth is about 150 million kilometers. The light from the sun takes approximately 8 minutes to reach the earth. Students, you know what is the speed of light? Speed of light is 3 lakh 3 lakh किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड. मीन्स एक सेकंड में कितनी दूर जाती है लाइट? 3 lakh किलोमीटर. फ्रॉम दिस वी कैन calculate the distance between the sun and our earth. What is the distance between sun and earth? How we can calculate? The light takes 8 minutes. 8 minutes लेती है सन से अर्थ तक जाने में, और स्पीड जो है लाइट की वो क्या है? 3 lakh किलोमीटर. देन यू कैलकुलेट दिस एंड फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द अर्थ एंड द सन. द नेक्स्ट, नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट आवर प्लैनेट्स. The planet, the word planet, which is derived from the Greek word planetes, which means wanderer. Wanderer means घूमने वाला, जो घूमते हैं. The planets are heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun in an elliptical orbit. There are 8 planets in our solar system. All these planets get heat and light from the sun. They all move around the sun in fixed path, and these paths are called orbits. Now the first planet is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It does not have any satellite. It is the fastest moving planet and takes only 88 days to revolve around the sun. It takes 59 days to complete one rotation on its axis. Second is Venus. It is also called Earth's sister. We already discussed this. It is also called Earth's sister. Why? Because it is similar to Earth in size and mass. It does not have any satellite. it also known as morning and evening star. Means in the night sky or in the evening when we appear in the sky towards the west side, then we seen a big star than the other stars. Actually it is not star, it is planet Venus. It is planet Venus. तो बड़ा सा स्टार दिखता है हमें साउथ में, सॉरी इन द ईस्ट. when we appear it is a looking like a star, bigger star, but actually it is Venus. That's why we call morning and evening star. It takes 225 days to complete one revolution around the sun. Unlike other planets, it rotates from east to west. Venus, we discussed this thing also. Venus and Uranus both are rotate from east to west. It takes 243 days to complete one rotation on its axis. Now we discuss about the earth in which we are situated. We are living here. This is our planet earth, and it appears blue in color. Why? Because it's about 3/4 of its surface is covered with water. 3/4 means near about 75%. 75% of the earth's surface is covered with water. It has one natural satellite, and that satellite is called moon. It takes 365.25 days to complete one revolution around the sun. Means 1 year. एक साल में चक्कर काटती है सन का. It is unique planet to the solar system because it provides favorable conditions for the existence of life. So here we discuss why it provides favorable conditions. It is neither too far nor too close to the sun. Thus it has optimum temperature for the survival of life. The second point, the earth atmosphere is rich in oxygen and carbon dioxide is also present, which is required for the survival of plants also. Water is present on earth's surface for the existence of life. The earth has different seasons also, and because of these seasons the favorable conditions are there. The next is Mars. Mars, it is also called red planet because it is brick like color in the night sky. It spins on its axis in 1 day. It takes 687 days to complete one revolution around the sun. It has 2 satellites. How many satellites? 2 satellites. And earth has 1 satellite, that is moon. The next one is Jupiter. As you know, Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. It is the largest planet in our solar system. It completes one spin on its axis in 9 hours and 56 minutes. It completes one revolution around the sun in about 12 years. It has 67 natural satellites, or we can say moons. 67 moons. The next and very important, or we can say beautiful beautiful planet of our solar system is Saturn. It is the second largest planet in the solar system. It completes one spin on its axis in 10 hours and 40 minutes. It takes about 29 years and 5 months to complete one revolution around the sun. It has 62 natural satellites, means 62 moons. It has spectacular rings. We already discussed this thing. Because of these rings, it appears very beautiful. That's why we say the beautiful planet of our solar system. The next one is Uranus. Uranus, like Venus, we already discussed this thing. NUS. The Uranus Uranus, Venus both moves from east to west. It completes one revolution on its axis in 17 days. 17 hours and 14 minutes. It has 27 natural satellites. It is one of the coldest planet of our solar system. It takes about 84 years to complete one revolution around the sun. The next one is Neptune, the last and eighth planet. It is the farthest planet in the solar system. It takes 16 hours 7 minutes to complete one rotation on its axis. It has 14 satellites, means 14 moons. It takes 164.8 years to complete one revolution around the sun. Now we discuss about the moon. As you know, it is our natural satellite of Earth. Moon, its diameter is 1/4 of that is Earth. It is about 384,000 kilometers away from the Earth. Moon takes 27 days to move around the Earth. There is no atmosphere on the moon like clouds, rain, water, air, etc. Nothing is present on moon. The moon has no light of its own. अपने इसकी कोई लाइट नहीं होती है, फिर भी ये चमकता है. वाई? बिकॉज इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स द लाइट ऑफ सन, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रिफ्लेक्शन इट अपीयर्स टू अस. Yes students, I hope you understand it very well. In a very easy way I make you understand, and in this video we discuss about the solar system and its planets. In the next video we will discuss about the other small dwarf planets or asteroids or other objects which revolve around the sun in our solar system. Thank you.